Good morning. We are here in Chicago. Go to Ulta headquarters today for our market meeting. The market meeting is basically when you go in and you meet with your buyers and you show them newness, the products that you have coming out, and hope and pray that they want to take them into the store so that they can be discovered. So the people that work at Ulta are always immaculately put together, and how could they not be? They work for an incredible beauty company. So I try to at least put my best foot forward. I'm using a CC cream for under my eyes and any areas that might have redness before I go in with a concealer. If you are a little bit older, just a tiny bit of CC cream makes all the difference because you don't need as much foundation or concealer and your makeup just looks more natural. And the people at Ulta, they got it on lock. With this market meeting, we are really focused on all of our vaginal health products. And it's because as a brand, we know how important it is to educate on vaginal health. Like, it blows my mind that there are still companies putting fragrance into their external cleansers for the vulva. Fragrance of any kind and products like that kills off your good bacteria, disrupts your vaginal microbiome, and you can get infections. But a lot of people and brands seemingly don't know that or don't care. But we make all of our products to be safe for external use, and we have some great new ones for vaginal care coming out this year. I know Ulta's gonna love. If you're somebody that does choose to use vaginal health products, I'd recommend that you look for ones that don't have any fragrance, surfactants, phthalates, and you should be good. Also, when doctors say just like use a gentle bar soap, most bar soap is pretty basic on the pH scale, which means it's like has a reading of 9 to 10, and the vagina is really acidic. That can also kill off good bacteria. Anyway, I'm really excited for today's meeting and to show them everything new that we've been working on. And Ulta really was our very first champion of Love Wellness. They were our first retail partner back in 2019, and they thought, hey, putting women's personal care into a traditional beauty store is a great idea. Because think about it, when you're in like the tampon aisle, it's not a place you really want to be. You know what I mean? You run in, you run out, you grab like the old school brand you know because you're too embarrassed to like look at new packaging and read it because you just want to be gone. And so being in Ulta first back in 2019 gave us the opportunity to really introduce innovative products in vaginal in a really cool space where women like to hang out, where they like to shop, you know? How are we gonna fix this? Too much blush. It's okay. We'll fix it. We're gonna fix it by just putting a little CC cream in here, toning it down. See? Fix it. We fix it. All right, now for my favorite powder, especially for people who are a little bit older. This Pat McGrath under eye in yellow. It is absolutely the TITS. The tits. You know, it was interesting yesterday. We flew to Chicago, and it was the day that the FAA had ground all of the airplanes. It took us like 8 hours to get here, but we finally made it. And when we arrived, I ordered a pizza from Illuminati's, which is like Chicago-style deep dish. I'm sure everyone will go off in the comments about their favorite deep dish in Chicago. Hostess. It's so old, oh my god. But it is the best little highlighter of all time. So at Ulta, you can find us in the bath section, but you can also find us on their new wellness wall, where they have a ton of wellness brands, not just like Love Wellness, but similar. And I love that Ulta is becoming a wellness destination, not just beauty. We're gonna finish this everyday makeup look with a little lip liner. I like to use a lip liner that's pretty close to the shade of my lips, maybe just like a little bit darker, just to finish This really needs to be sharpened. Finish rounding out the edges. There we go. And then I'm very much into Annie Lawless's Forget the Filler. Whew. Clear. All right, we're ready to go. Have a great meeting at Ulta.